अरे रिजल्ट आ गया।
हेलो आई मला 8 पॉइंटर आले।
हो अरे कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
नाइस वर्क।
एक वन बैक।
कितने बैग है तेरे? अरे एक बैग।
अरे बोला काय केलं तू? अरे 5 बॅकलॉग 5? अरे 1 ठीक आहे 2 ठीक आहे 5? अरे आयुष्याचं काटोडं केलं रे तू। काय तुला इतक्या दिवशी इतक्या दिवस तुला सांगितलं कर अभ्यास नाही बाबा, लॅपटॉप पाहिजे, फोन पाहिजे, रिचार्ज रे काय केलं रिचार्ज रे? ठीक है कुछ नहीं, ठीक है हो जाएगा तू पास, कोई टेंशन मत ले अभी तू। हेलो बोला बोला ये बोला बोला बोला
इसके 5 बैग। इससे अच्छा तो एक कचरा पेटी।
लोगों 5 बैग, मेरा तो एक ही निकाल। बोला किधर? 5। अरे क्या?
बोला तो 5 बैग है। शर्म नहीं आती तेरे को? यहाँ पे मत करना, हम लोग भी फेल हो जाएंगे। जा यहाँ।
There is no bright future for you, Bhola. You are good for nothing. You have lost your self-respect, Bhola. Your family also doesn't care for you.
You are all alone, भोला।
एक बार भोला से मिल के आता हूँ। उसके पापा का भी कॉल आया था, बोल रहे थे कि वो कॉल नहीं उठा रहा है।
It's better to die than living in a society where no one cares for you, Bhola. It's better to die than being in a society where everyone insults you. It's better to die than seeing crying faces of your parents, Bhola. It's better to die.
भोला भोला
Don't listen, Bhola. Don't listen. No one cares for you. You are all alone.
Hello Bhola, let's chill out somewhere. Your father was also calling us.
Don't go.
He said you are not picking up his call.
Don't go.
Bhola,
Don't go. I will go.
let's go Bhola somewhere and chill out.
No, I don't.
Let's go Bhola. चल मैं किसी से मिलाता हूँ। हेलो हाँ भैया अर्जेंट है, मिल सकता हूँ क्या आपसे? हाँ हाँ हाँ
Yeah, Bhola, I can understand your feeling. But you should also understand that this exam is not all in all. There will be so many innumerable opportunities will come in future. So you can prove yourself there. Everybody cares for you, Bhola Bala. Mother, father at home, teacher, guardians and HOD at college. And we are there. You are not alone. You can call me at any time. I am there for you. Bhola Bala, I wanted to tell you one thing. These bad thoughts are just illusion created by mind. And this mind is very difficult to control. And once it is controlled, it is our best friend.
No!
So how can I control my mind, bhaiya?
For that, you have to build your intelligence. And by that, what will happen? You can discriminate what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. How you can develop this kind of intelligence? So for that, you need to study wisdom books, as well as you can practice some meditations and yogas.
And bhaiya,
Bhola Bala started building up his intelligence. He was now becoming capable of discriminating what is right, what is wrong.
in this way I control my mind, and now I am living a determined and happy life. You can also do the same thing.